Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines, and we're at the site now of house number 23, and we're pretty well finished here now. As you can see there, the next big thing that we'll be doing is, as soon as the floor and the outside patio dry, because they're actually doing the concreting now, as soon as that's dry and it can be walked on, then the family will move in there, where you can see that we bought some furniture, a bed and a couple of other benches, and we'll be hoping that they can move in, because we had the electricity in the old house has been disconnected, and this is it here, and we'll be demolishing that thing because actually it's ready to fall down. Brian was standing over there with me and he leaned up. We reached up and shook the house. So there's no question of using that for anything else. We're trying to clear a slum here, and that's what we're doing. And we're putting up a nice house in its place. So take a walk around.
Before it's gonna be low, but yeah, so they're cementing here now, and also the inside. And then you already transferred the electrical wire here to the main house. As you see. Oh. Yeah, so we got two benches here for inside and outside, and then we got a bamboo bed over there. So this is our last day on our work on our house number 23.